Basic credit repair can include letters to credit bureaus, also the smaller subsidiary bureaus, most commonly for security freezes with companies like ARS, LexisNexis, Innovis, Intellius, Credco, and others. These companies' subsidiary bureaus are who the credit bureaus link up with to verify information through. Some more in-depth companies even dispute items through the CFPB and the FTC, but really, how far are you really going to get just by doing that? Is your credit repair company preparing affidavits, sending you unlimited power of attorney so that they can speak on your behalf to creditors, collectors, credit bureaus, federal agencies, and more? Are they doing the security freezes at all of the 10 places or just 5 or 6 of the subsidiary bureaus, because there's a huge difference in results and a huge difference in time? These extras and doing them right can initially take 12 to 15 hours per client. Does the CEO of your credit repair company also have 5 to 10,000 people in LinkedIn connections who have been communicating with and texting and calling with for years and years to get great results for you and to get great favors for you? How serious are you about your credit?
For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel